So here we have the OpenWays mobile key front desk bypass solution. This is a factory installed model. This happens to be one that's using a SafeLock Cabot 790RT. I've been pre-allocated with my particular phone, so I've passed the security validation. This phone is now producing a sound, which I'll put on speaker so you can hear it. Okay, that's loud, and obviously it's on speaker, so it's much louder than you would ordinarily hear. You wouldn't normally do that. So the guest would normally be producing this sound via their phone, go up to the front, go up to their door, press the phone down on the lock mechanism.
How long does it take?
And the lock opens. Okay. And then it's obviously
But
faster.
for how long does the guest has to keep the phone on this thing?
Well, the sound takes about a second and a half to come out. So
Why does the sound has to come?
because that's the whole method of delivery. Because if we're delivering
Text.
We're sending the information to the guest's phone via text to say which room they're in and which phone number to call. But the delivery of the key is as an acoustic key, so it's a sound-based key. So it's ultra secure. Every time it's emitted, there's a slight change in the tone. It's like similar to the secure ID or the RSA, the key, the numbers that keep on revolving. So it's like a number changing lock. So you can only use each of that tone is only valid for a moment, for a matter of seconds, and then we start with a new tone. So it can't be recorded and then used by somebody else, basically.
So my understanding is first is the sound, right?
Right.
The second part is the image on they receive it.
No, the whole thing, this is a listening device. So there's an earpiece here.
Oh, it's a listening device. Okay.
So this is listening for the particular tone that the phone is producing. I made a phone call. I could click a button to run an application on the phone. But basically, the phone is going to make a sound. So that any single phone in the world doesn't have to be a smartphone. It can be just a regular mobile phone. Every single phone is compatible today. There's no special requirement for anything. Every single phone will make a phone call. So that sound is interpreted by this for various security checks, and then it passes the information to the lock, which would be similar to what they ordinarily would receive on the magnetic stripe or on the RFID card. So basically, it's encoded that data into sound, which is the delivery mechanism of the mobile phone.
Can you show it one more time, please?
Yes. The process would be that the guest is enrolled, said that they wanted to take advantage of the service. The day before or the night or the morning of, the hotel would allocate them a room. There's the sound, okay?
Then once you press the sound, then what are you putting on the top though? Then this thing receives it. What happens?
So this is listening. So this is producing the tone, still producing it. Okay, so this is not working. This is locked right now.
Okay.
So this is listening for tones. So when you bring the earpiece close to it,
and how much is this module for?
this